Best Hip Hop Artist 2020, Church in AP. Huge. You've had a great year. Did you have any instinct or thought you'd win this?
I think when you lead creatively, judging by its quality, not to say that we're confident, just that we're focused on trying to make the best product. So I guess it's just proof of concept. People like it. So we're really happy to be here. Really blessed, really grateful.
Because you took away, 3 awards at the Pacific Music Awards? Yeah.
Plus Producer of the Year over here, that makes 4 for us. So as a collective, so
the team's winning.
So as a collective then, who takes the award home? Who gets the tui?
we might have to chop it up. Depends.
Or maybe even in our studio, just somewhere where it's close.
This can go in the studio.
Yeah. Maybe this is a studio piece.
You have featured so many amazing musicians in your project and collabed with heaps of cool artists. Who's on your next project? Or anyone that you'd like to work with that's here tonight?
Yes, it's
yes.
public knowledge to these guys that I'm a big Beth stan. So I'd love to work with the Beths.
And if Benny ever needs some rappers on the song,
Hell yeah.
Right here.
We're right here. That actually goes for all of the New Zealand music industry.
Yeah, 100%. Man.
Need rappers? Call us.
Yeah. Or need ghostwriters, songwriters, we do our little thing.
So what's tonight got planned then? Like this, do you guys celebrate? Do you party?
Yes.
Oh.
It's actually the 1-year anniversary of the album they were nominated for. So
Yes. So today, last year we released Teeth, which is executive produced by this guy, top to bottom, and then it's what we won the Pacific Music Awards for, and then what got us this nomination here. So it's kind of a full circle thing. It's nice to know that there's a bit of success to be had here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Congratulations, it's so
Thank
cool.
you, Charlotte.
Yay.
Thank you, RNZ. We'll see you guys around. You'll hear us.